This burger looks stupid good, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. Some people prefer to throw frozen burger patties right on the grill. That is a no-no. What I do is I prefer to thaw them out. You submerge the vacuum sealed bags under water for about 30 minutes. Perfect results every single time. So let's get into it. You really can't go wrong with kosher salt and black pepper, but feel free to go ahead and use our Omaha Steak special seasonings. Now these burgers are extra special. They have a looser grind and texture, which make for a more backyard, home-style feel. You want to clean any old debris from the grill. Use a high smoke point oil to oil the grill grates. Now with these burgers, we want to go ahead and start them off on direct heat for that perfect kiss to get them nice and grilled. About 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and then flip them over. Then, towards the end, you want to get a nice reading temperature of 160 degrees, and then, and only then, put your slice of cheese on there, whatever you like. Once the cheese is melted, you take it off, let it carry over cook, and it should rise up to the perfect 165 degrees every single time. And there you have it. That's how you make the perfect burger. Looser texture and grind, which gives you more of that backyard style and feel, and bigger patties. So go forth, experiment, have fun, and make sure to check out our beginner guide to grilling, our Omaha Steaks blog for more tips, tricks, and recipes.